What's up? How you feeling, Sammy?
Alright, so last night you guys saw me remove the gas tank and I drained it all out and I cleaned it out. The thing was filthy. The car should run a lot better, and so today I'm actually going to drive it for probably about an hour. I'm going to go take it all the way out to Carson City today, over to a buddy's house who's got a couple 240s. We're going to go work on some stuff at his house. But I'm going to go ahead and fill the tank up with some good fresh gas and try and drive the thing for at least 30 minutes, try and really cycle some good gas through this car. So I've gone ahead and loaded my tool bag, and I've even got a fire extinguisher back there for just in case. I just bring in all my diag equipment, you know, my multimeter and my power probe and stuff like that. That way, if anything happens, I'll be able to fix the car on the side of the road. I even brought a timing light, just a cheap one, just in case. So it's gonna be like an hour and a half, 2-hour road trip. So being that be the longest this car's ever driven in the past 4 years, probably be smart to bring some tools. Stupid harnesses on. Hate harnesses. Now I'm ready to start the car. Alright, so I got it fired up. It was kind of not wanting to run at all. I had to give it a bunch of timing just to get it to fire up on a cold start, so it's running real bad. I'm on my way to Tom's house right now. We're gonna let it warm up. Once it's warmed up a little bit, it should run better. We'll set the timing, and then we'll be on our way. But I'm just right here. We're almost there. It's running fine now that I got it warmed up, sorta. Backfiring a lot out of the back, out of the exhaust. Let's see if I can one-hand it up the driveway. Keep it alive, keep it alive. Wow. That's idling, sorta. Yeah, it's idling just barely. It's not happy. We'll see what it wants to do. Yeah, I'm gonna go set the timing. Alright, so we just left the gas station, filled it up, put 20 bucks in it. It's running great. We adjusted the timing a little bit at Tom's house, but it wasn't that far off at what I adjusted it to. So it must have been off when I adjusted it last. So the timing's set to 20 degrees before top dead center with the TPS unplugged, and then lock the distributor down, plug the TPS in, and we're cruising. Wow. Seems to be running good. Let's see if I can drop a gear. It's not going any faster, it's just loud. That's KA stuff. It's still pretty down on power, I guess, or maybe that's just how a KA feels. Cool, so I made it, and it seems to be running a whole lot better. Over here at Tyler's house. What's up, bud? How's it going?
Going really good. Yo, I gotta say I'm surprised at two things. First off, I'm surprised I made it here.
Yeah, me
Second,
too.
I'm surprised that Sammy was willing to drive it.
That is true. Yeah, so it's running good. It wants to die when it's idling, so I think the timing's still a little bit off. I think when I set it at Tyler's house, I gave it a little too much advance, maybe. It runs great. It's a KA dual cam, so it's not the most powerful thing in the world, but I'm happy it runs. It's not sputtering. I couldn't be happier. So we're gonna tinker around with it. We're gonna look and see what Tyler's got going on in his backyard today, and we'll keep going. Man, I'm just so happy with how this thing's turning out, how the quarter panel's turning out, how the motor's running. It's doing pretty sweet. I just drove it for an hour straight, and God, I can't believe it's running that good. This thing's been one hell of a trip on this car. I mean, just the bad gas killed every single circuit through it, man. So cleaning everything out really got that thing alive. I'm so happy. Oh boy, look at this thing. Oh God. Alright, so we're out cruising. Just finished up on Tyler's car. We're looking for a little spot to see if this thing will slide.
What's up? How you feeling, Sammy?
I'm feeling good. Is this the spot?
This is our spot.
This ain't nothing like my Z was, though.
Well, we'll get it there.
Try burnout. Burnout. Try it. It probably won't.
Kick's all I got. Woo!
You're doing all right. Inside driver's getting a little, but you still got plenty of life to keep going and drive around.
Okay.
How's it feel? This motivates you to fucking
Hell yeah.
to go harder, make it faster, fix it more?
Makes me want to make it go faster.
This is what we're all about. This is why we do it. We're insane.
This
We
ain't-
spend so much time fixing these things, and this is all we're chasing.
Yep. This ain't nothing like my Z was, though.
Well, we'll get it there. Give us a burnout.